Everyone, turn on your camera and we will revise tenses for the last time today, and then from Monday we'll do some new topic. Okay, keep on learning the question answers and word meanings and difficult words of the chapter. Okay, which I have shared with you. Difficult words and question answers I have shared with you. If anyone doesn't have, please ping me on WhatsApp. Yes. Yes, turn on your camera. So many students, your cameras are off. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Okay. Okay. So all are ready. I will not revise today. Today I will take your test. I will ask one by one any question to anybody. We have done. Yes, I will ask you examples. Okay. I will ask anybody anything. Okay. I'm I'll just take your name, unmute yourself, and I'm telling you the question and be alert. I can ask anything. I won't repeat the question. Jagmanya said properly daily, I have to tell you. Hardik, where are you? Hardik, Hardik, I can't see you. Keep the camera down. Yes. Yes, everyone don't do Arman, you are not here. Arman, come and sit here. Arman, yes. Chalo, let's start. You can raise your hand in advance. Otherwise, I will ask everyone today, one by one. See, I will tell you the tense type and the sentence type. Tell me the example. Today we'll wind up tenses. I just want to confirm that you have got tenses well. Okay? Okay. Whose name I'm taking? It's okay whether you're raising hand or not. I will give chance to everyone. First of all, Vidhi, Siddhima, and Palika. Some students' camera is off. Some some students' camera is off. Please turn on your camera. Turn on your camera, everyone. Yes. Now, Jarish. First question is for Jarish. Unmute yourself. Jarish. Panika, can you hear me? Panika. यार ये दिक्कत होती है क्लास लेने में ठीक भी नहीं कराया भाई कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा अरे यार ये तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी फिर अपना नेट नहीं चलता क्या है शुरू हो रहा है अरे नहीं हेल्प यार Hello. Yes, students, can you hear me now? I got disconnected. Sorry. Students, can you hear me now? Are you there? I can't hear any one of you. Are you there? Shit, yeah, shit. Are you there? इतनी प्रॉब्लम आती है मुझे बिना वाईफाई के। आया भी नहीं, कुछ बोला भी नहीं उसको। Yes, can you hear me? शिट यार, अब तो कोई ज्वाइन ही नहीं हो रहा है। हो गए बच्चे धीरे धीरे। Yes, can you hear me now? Yes. Yes, now mute yourself. Yes, now I can hear you. Yes, mute yourself. Listen to my question every. Okay, okay. No, no, okay, okay. So now I can hear you. I didn't mute anybody, although. Now I can hear you. Now one by one, I'm taking your name. Please. It's not host. How can he mute you? Yes, yes, Abhi, one by one, I'm taking your name. Please mute yourself. I didn't make him the host. How did he become host? Dipanshu? Okay, 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 fine. Now mute yourself. Let's not waste time. Jarish, can you hear me? Your first question is, tell me one example of past simple and positive sentence. Hurry up. Past simple and positive sentence. Yes, beta. I won't repeat question. Beta, will come in past simple. Yes, raise your hand, children, everyone who can answer any of the question. Hurry up. I have taught the chapter. It has been so many days. I have taught to everyone. It's better, please raise your hand if you can answer any of the question and listen to the questions carefully. Yes. Naisa? Okay, no problem. Yes. Samriddhi? Samriddhi? Answer. Please listen to the question carefully. I won't repeat. Answer. Don't read from anywhere. Immediately answer, na? No, my voice is perfect. You know the question. No problem, no problem. Once you tell beta. Very good. He sold his old car and bought a new one. Yes. Panika? Yes, Panika. Mute yourself back, Jarish and Vansh. Yes, Panika. Give me one example of future simple. Hurry up. Future simple. Yes, I will. Very good. I will play in the rain. Very good. Yes. Yes. Now, I want past continuous. Arman Bagga, past continuous. Yes. Yes, Arman. I. Yes, Prateet. Past continuous. Hurry up. Beta, this example is done so many times. Can you give any other example? Who spoke without permission? Plant. Very good, Arman and Prateek. Very good. Very good, Arman and Prateek. Yes, Naisa. Give example of present continuous in question form. Yes. Yes, Ayush. Hurry up. Ayush. Very good. But we can't walk on stairs. Get down or we just climb up the stairs. So, are you walking on the grass? The stairs? Very good. Are you climbing up the mountain? Very good, beta. Very good. Yes. Now, yes. Now future continuous Jagmanya. Future continuous in negative form. Jagmanya. Listen to the question in once, beta. Future continuous in negative form. Ismr comes in which tense, beta? Yes, Anika. You tell. Yes, Anika. Hmm. I will be drawing a sketch. Very good. Heaven, start your video first. Heaven, heaven. Some students don't listen only. Why do they attend class? I don't understand. Hardik. Hardik, yes, beta. Unmute yourself, Hardik. Hardik, unmute yourself. Where is he looking? Hardik. Hardik. Where is he looking? Is he listening to some songs or what? Or has he joined the class? I am unable to understand. Acha, Hardik, I'm asking to Hardik Arora. At least both of them should unmute, na then. Prisha, Prisha, first of all, start your camera. Don't hide your camera and unmute yourself. Yes, yes, beta. Give us example of present continuous in question form. Yes, don't know. Yes, who can answer? Divyanshi, please answer. Divyanshi, please answer. Hmm. Yes, are we going to the school? Very good, very good. Are we going to the school? Yes, yes. Now, Samriddhi, don't read from the book and you answer. Don't read from the book, Samriddhi, and mute yourself. Give one example of future continuous in negative form. Hurry up. Sorry. Okay, give. Samriddhi, are you giving this example by yourself? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. No, I trust you. No, I trust you. Don't worry. Yes. Yes, Javjeet. Who? Samriddhi? Okay. Samriddhi, give. Okay, okay. Very good example. Wait, wait. Let me ask those who sleep in the class. Yes. Madhav, Heaven. Madhav, where is Madhav? Yes, Madhav, unmute yourself. Why don't you raise hand, Madhav? You have any doubt? Then you may clear, beta. Now answer. Give me one example of future simple in negative form. Hurry up. We will go to market. Okay, fine. Yes. Any problem, children? Anybody? Any problem in tenses? Who's saying we will be going? Arman, let me see you. Arman, we will be going to the market will be example of present continuous. Children, once again, I'm revising through tense chart, then I'm winding up the topic, and from Monday, we'll study the new topic. Future continuous. Very good. Children, listen. I will cross check with ma'am. I have filled your back exercises of book. You all have Wow English Grammar book now. I have filled all the exercises. I have created the PDF and sent to ma'am. So it will be uploaded on ERP. So please fill. Since listen children, one or two exercises are there which was unimportant, so I have left like present continuous for future tense. This is one of the exercise which is out of syllabus, so I have left. Otherwise I have filled all the exercises that if they are not uploaded on ERP, we will upload by Monday, so you complete your all back exercises of the book. Everyone has to solve. Okay, everyone has to solve. Who's saying? Okay, Nisa, please tell. Yes, Nisa. Yes, please tell. You are asking me? No, Nisa, no. Let me revise once again if you have any confusion. Beta, in continuous tense na ing always comes. In present continuous it will be ismr plus ing. For example, I'm doing my work. In past continuous it will be, let me spotlight my video. You see, in present continuous, it will be is mr plus ing. For example, I am doing my work. In past continuous, it will be was were plus ing. For example, I was doing my work. And in future continuous, it will be will shall plus be plus ing. I will be doing my work. Is it clear? So don't get confused. Ing always comes in continuous tense. Okay. And in present simple, I'm just revising it for you. In present simple, we use V1. In past simple, we use V2. And in future simple, we use will shall plus V1. All right. And what are the helping verbs of present simple? Who will tell me what are the helping verbs of present simple? Raise your hand. What are the helping verbs of present simple? Can anyone tell me? I have told you number of times. Helping verb of present simple. Yes, Dipanshu? Just now I told is MR comes in continuous tense. Yes. Jarish, please tell. Jarish will tell. Where is he? Why has he turned off his camera? Jarish, tell. Panika wants to tell. Panika? Yes, Jarish, tell. Okay, Panika, tell. He is not unmuting. Panika, please tell. Helping verb of present simple. Helping verb of present simple. Better that we keep on positive sentence. Helping verb is do does. Okay. I like it. I don't like it. Do I like it? Like that. Okay. And helping verb of past simple is did. And with did we use first form in questions and negative sentences. Okay. I liked it. I did not like it. Did I like it? Like that. Clear everyone? Now any doubt? Past which? Mehul past which? Past simple? Please give. Please give. We were we were watching match on TV. This is past continuous. I'm asking past simple. Okay, okay, fine. We watched a movie yesterday. It will be past simple. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Then please raise your hand. Otherwise, lower your hand. From Monday, I'll start a new topic. But but that's enough. Yes, yes, Divyanshi, please give. Then I'm ending the class. He will not eat porridge. She used the word porridge. Can anyone tell me its meaning? I know many of you must not be knowing the meaning of porridge. Do you know porridge? What do we? What is porridge? Not you, not you. Yes, Palika, Palika. Yes, Peter. Yes, Palika. Tell. Very good, Palika. Yes, it's Dalia porridge. So you learned a new word today. Okay, so I'm ending the class, Vita. If now I hope no doubts. If any doubt, then clear. Otherwise, from Monday I'll start new topic and finish the book exercises. Back exercises we'll upload on ERP. Okay, I have sent to ma'am. I have filled the book. Yes. Bye bye, Vita. Bye bye. Bye bye, Vita. You too. Yes, Vita. Bye bye. Bye bye.